Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I'm going to be reviewing the EvenSkyn Phoenix, which is the newest microcurrent device. On this video, I have a real-time tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you the moves that they show on the manual, and I'm also going to give you some extra moves for double chin, for the jowls, for extra eye lift to give you amazing results. And they're all real-time tutorials that you can do with me. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. This video is done in partnership with EvenSkyn, and I'm super grateful that I was able to get this device before it was released so I can create some amazing tutorials for you guys. I actually just completed the tutorial that I did on this video. I'm going to show you my before and after now, and immediately I feel my skin feels tighter and depuffed, and spoiler alert, I'm loving this thing. The Phoenix is a premium face and neck massaging, toning and depuffing skin roller. It features a solar array which uses natural and artificial light to produce a gentle microcurrent that lifts and recharges the skin areas. Phoenix uses a very gentle microcurrent of 15 microamps that mimics your own skin microcurrent, so your skin responds really well to it. Because it's so gentle, you can actually use this device every single day to depuff, to give you an instant lift right before makeup, which I really love. If you use other devices like the Lume from EvenSkyn, they suggest you use the Phoenix about 3 times a week. You can charge the Phoenix with just ambient light. It doesn't have any on and off button. It has the solar panel here. So this part here is the solar panel. You don't have to put this straight up in the sun to charge it. Even if it's artificial light, you'll still be able to charge it. So that way it's always ready to go, which I love that about this device because it's so sustainable and easy. It has alloy rollers. They are placed on a 115-degree angle that gives you the best grip on your skin without tugging, because these 4 rollers, they slide so effortlessly and they're so soft on the skin and cool, so it really helps with the puffing as well because the rollers are kind of cold. I also love that they grab on the skin for circulation, but without tugging the skin. Just is a gentle grab that helps stimulate the circulation as well as give you an extra lift, because just the actual massage will give you a lift by itself. You definitely will have an immediate result when you use the Phoenix, but the results may vary depending on your age. But for more cumulative results, you should use the Phoenix for 4 to 5 weeks consistently to really see the long-term results, because with any microcurrent you always have that immediate result, but in order to keep up those results and build up the muscle to really become lifted, you have to have consistently and you have to use for a longer period of time, and that is with any microcurrent. How to use it? Since it's a microcurrent device, you have to make sure to use with a water-based serum, meaning serums that don't have any oils. And to be completely honest, you can literally just use with mineral water. This is from La Roche-Posay. You can buy any CVS, or you can just buy Smart Water because it is higher in minerals, and spray on your face and do the Phoenix. You still get great results, but it's very important to have something that will give you conductivity and will help the current penetrate deep into the muscle, because microcurrent needs water to get deep into the muscle. And I have a whole video about tips on how to get the best results from microcurrents, and I'll leave that in the description box below. You can use the Phoenix from 5 to 10 minutes on each area in a period of 24 hours, and the neck is considered an area as well. But if you look at the tutorial on this video in real time, I did about each move about 10 times, and I did multiple movements all over my face and neck, and I found that I got amazing results with even a quick tutorial. But obviously, if you have trouble areas, you can spend more time on the area. Now, let's go to the tutorial. The first part of the tutorial are the moves that you can find on your manual, and the second part of the tutorial will be the bonus moves that are not in the manual, but it will also give you amazing results. So make sure to also check the timestamps below so you can jump anywhere in this video. Now let's get to it. On a washed face, first apply a water-based serum or your conductive gel. The first move is for under eye bags. So starting here, all the way to the temples. So that is the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next movement is brow lifting. If you're going to be using eyebrows, make sure you have serum. So starting here to the temples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see now they're more even. Crow's feet. Beginning in the middle of the upper cheekbone area, glide the phoenix bar diagonally upwards towards the temple area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nasolabial folds. Let's apply some more serum. So starts here from the side of the nose and go all the way to the temples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mesolabial folds. Apply some more serum. So start on the lip corner to the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's do the neck. Make sure to apply your serum, starting on the base of your neck diagonally towards your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Glabella lines or the 11s. For the 11s, you're gonna put your serum on your forehead. The move is from this area here in between your eyes to the hairline. Let's do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm gonna give you some bonus moves that are not on the manual but are based on the muscle structure, and they will give you amazing results. Now instead of applying more serum, I'm just gonna spray some water because water is very conductive, especially since you have the serum underneath. You will revive the serum and even amplify the conductivity. I'm gonna just spray it. This is gonna be for the jawline. Just get the probes between this area here and glide to the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Under chin firming. These moves will help firm up the under chin, so help you deal with the double chin. It will not remove the double chin if it's related to fat, because microcurrent does not remove fat, but it will definitely help to firm up the muscle to make it look less pronounced. This move is really powerful because it is causing the circulation and also lifting this muscle here to strengthen this under muscle here to help tighten up a double chin. Now you're gonna go with the probes like this and just go up to firm up the double chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and do 10 more on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one, you're not going into the thyroid, but I want to go from so here and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see the area gets red, but I feel like it really helped to tighten up your double chin. Jowls and cheeks lifting. This is to help to lift the cheek muscle and as well as help with the jowls. And this movement, you're gonna start from the jowls here up to the corner of the mouth and do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then go all around your cheeks with that, doing 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Let's do it on the other side. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Move to the final part of the cheek. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to show you now some more moves for the forehead lines, especially the 11s. You can totally do the move that they show in the manual, which is this move here. But to help even more with the 11s, you can also do this move, which is a diagonal move that goes from the actual 11 here, the middle, diagonally up. And you can do that 10 times. And that will help lift the eyebrow, as well as help open up the 11s. You can do 10 times this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then do the opposite way, which is starting from the middle and go up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this will really help to open up this area as well. And to even do more lift on the eyebrow, you can also start from the corner here, up, and do all over the forehead. That'll also help with the horizontal lines. So these are just some extra movements if you suffer from the 11s or forehead lines. There's another movement that I've been doing to the eye area that I do feel like it helps with lifting. So I'm gonna just, and then I'm gonna show you. It's starting from the corners here, up. So start from the corner of the eye, passing through the middle of the eyebrow and ending on the hairline. So goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this one is just to help this arch of the eyebrow. If you guys can see, this part is a little more lifted now. So let's do the other side. So from the corners of the eye here, passing through the middle of the eyebrow to the hairline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that move I love because I feel like it arches right in the middle of my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the before and after, from the immediate results after one use. My final thoughts is that I really love this and I definitely recommend. The skin definitely feels immediately firmer and lifted and really helps with depuffing. And another thing I love about this is the solar power. You don't have to charge it. It's very sustainable. So it's something really easy to take on a trip. So I love it. I highly recommend. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.